Local news for Wednesday the 4th of September. A casual Meet the Candidates meeting is being held today at the Solway Showgrounds from 3 until 6pm. Marston and Toastmasters are hosting a Meet the Candidates evening at the Carterton Event Centre on the 18th and the Wairarapa Youth Council and Rotary on the 19th of September. The Greytown Town Hall will host South Wairarapa candidates on the 25th. National MP Paul Goldsmith will be in the region on Friday. Speaking at a Business Wairarapa event, he'll discuss issues affecting the New Zealand economy. Goldsmith is the national spokesperson for finance and infrastructure. Weather permitting, Carrington Park is set to host a kite festival this Saturday, part of the Asia and Friends Night Market from 4 until 7pm at Carrington Park. Sunday sees the popular Carterton Daffodil Festival return. And Deco City Beer has committed a 2-year sponsorship deal with the Central Stags ahead of the cricket season, which will enhance the fan experience at home games, according to CEO Peter DeWitt. This summer sees games being played in Napier, New Plymouth and Palmerston North, with Ross Taylor and Seth Runt, the two Wairarapa players in the Central District's Stags cricket squad. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.